Why do you clean your tools? Why do you all that stuff? Because I was taught that. The people that I was taught from, like the people that I looked up to and stuff in the shops, all took care of the tools. The team leader that I worked with, Jason, that guy spent 10 minutes a day wiping his tools down, getting them cleaned. And so that's where I come from. And my other thing is, it's like if you shit, why wipe your ass? Because you're just going to shit later. I don't know. I want to wipe my ass so I don't, like, you know what I mean? So that's my thing. I take care of my tools because I want to take care of my tools. I want to spend the time. And that way they look new. This is like 4 years old. It still looks brand new. This is 3 years old. It looks brand new because I clean it. I just don't get it. I like to take care of my stuff. There's nothing wrong with taking care of your tools.